Howdy, Year Sevens. I'm just going to run through how to download and do the skill tester based design task. So if you're unsure about what we're going to do, we're going to be making something similar to what Mr. Bean's playing with in this clip here, which hopefully you've already seen. So we've got to put we've got to run a wand or a handle over a wire which has got electrical current going through it, and if you touch it, it makes a sound. Ours is going to have a little light that lights up when you touch it, but this one here has got a sound going. Okay, so we're going to make something like that. To do that, though, we need to learn about some electronics, which you should have already done in the investigation. But then we're going to design the base. So ours is going to look similar to this one. So we're going to have a wire with a handle and another wire coming off. Our battery is going to be hidden inside this box. We're going to have an LED, which is going to light up when you touch the wire. We've got a resistor here to restrict the current so we don't blow up the LED. But what you got to do is design the base. So this one here. So we've got a top, front, two ends, the bottom, and a back. So we want yours to have a custom design on this one, okay? So to do that, what we've got to do is not go to there. We've got to go to Google Classroom. In our Google Classroom, if you haven't joined it, that's our code. So pause the video there and join our Google Classroom. If you have joined it already, go into classwork. Now we've got skill tester based design. That's what we want. I'm going to go to view assignment. Now I've got my example there. Now this is what we want to download, skill tester base. Now it's an Adobe Illustrator file, so we won't be able to view it. Oh, you might be able to view it. Now to download this, you click on it. You go to three little dots up in the corner here. Go to open a new window. And then we've got our download icon here. So you're going to go download that. And that'll go to your downloads file. So if you open up Adobe Illustrator, go File, Open, Downloads, Skill Tester Base, and you should get a template there. Now I've locked everything on here, so you won't be able to move any of this stuff. But this is where we want to put our design. So I've got some instructions what you need on each part. The bottom, you just need your name. The front and back, you need some designs to make yours look really, really good. The top is where you want your most eye-catching design, and you got two ends as well. So if you have a look at my example, I've gone with like an electrical theme. So you make up the name of what you want yours to be called. So I called mine the Steady Hand Skill Tester. And I've got some other stuff written on there. Do you think your hand is steady enough for this game? I've got some lightning bolts. On the bottom, I've got just my name because we're not going to be able to see that one. What we're going to do is fill this out, get your own designs on there, what you want. Obviously, it's going to be school appropriate, and then I'll laser cut it out. We'll build the box and build the circuit to go in there, and it'll be all good. Remember, once you've completed that, save it. So go File, Save, and then upload it to your Google back to this assignment. So back on here, we need to upload it to that. Okay, so I can laser cut it out for you. Alrighty. So hopefully that's clear. I'll put some videos about how to do stuff on Illustrator as well. So that's like doing the changing images to vectors, so you can laser cut them, and drawing shapes and joining shapes and doing text and all that sort of stuff. I'll pop that in Google Classroom as well for you. Okay, so have a good day. See ya.